Assalamu alaikum, MHS Tayyab fans. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing this Harry Potter little minifigure. I bought this from Liberty Books, and it includes a 3-inch by 4-inch model of Hogwarts Castle, and also it includes a little sticker book. Let's see what's inside. Straight off the bat, like I predicted, that there are 4 different pieces, and the castle is detachable and attachable. It's very hard to pull out. There we go. Yeah, so the towers are divided into 3. Very nice packaging, a little bit of excessive use of tape. The towers aren't as tall as they look in the picture. That's because the hats of each of the towers, which actually represent wizard hats, have to be attached. Now the sticker book here has each and every, not each and every, but 16 different pictures from each of the Harry Potter movies. I'm sorry for this video being so short. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I figure out how to turn this on.